Well, I started off with 3 strips of steel, and then I found the hood for the chimney. It's about the 3rd one of them I pulled out now. I don't think we walk any further that way today. I think we turn around and go back that way to that spot we first said. Have a go there and we move on down to Oxford Patch. I pulled out a whole complete fishing rod with a reel on it as well. I think there's a fisherman hanging on the end of it. I can't believe that. The whole thing come out with the line. Oh, I lost that the other day. You don't see fishermen now, do you? It's always going to private waters and that now, isn't it? Right. And go one more throw here, and then we move on. It's there at my feet, it's asking for it, isn't it? More like he threw it in and I've lost it now. I've lost it. Oh well, that's sod's law. Oh, look how the other half live. Hey, what have I got here? I want to get high, I want to get high, I want to get high. Da, 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 da. Oh! Oh, God. Fast gas. By random. Whew. Feels like it's got something in it. Oh. No, trust me. Having a showdown saying I'm better than you. Let's race it. Hey? I don't know how that came back. I took it out. Then I put this one down. I was using the other one. So I don't know how that got knotted again. It's more like where you just scrunch it up. Yeah. And you overlap it and then that's it, yeah. One more throw in and we move back up to that end. But I say, it was good for checking out this river because of them boulders and that. I mean, you was lucky you got that money box thing in because that dragged in with a big bit of concrete. I'll make this the last one and then we'll track on up there because it's getting warm, isn't it? If we're going to move on and do another location. We have to move along because it will catch up with us otherwise the time. Oh well, that's it. Oh, let's get going. Yeah, you've got to reach out. Don't let it touch this side because you've got the steel there. I'll have one more throw with this one. It don't seem like it's attracted to any metal. Oh, I've got a bottle lid. First bottle top, what's that one? Oh, 1664. 1664. I think I swap magnets and have a go with that one. The colour of the magnet? Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Try and get some of that shit off, you might pick something up. It does help, like you had the power in the magnet then. Oh, I found myself a battery. It's quite clean in this spot. Oh, what have I got here? Alright, I've got a piece of an iron bed, the old fashioned beds. Do you remember those? They come out off the headboard and the bottom part, and then they put the old frame beds on. That's one of them. Yeah, I believe it could be off an old bed. And could be more down here. Look, I've got the back of a hard drive. Whoa. I've got 2 hard drives indoors, what I pulled out the river. They're complete, and they've dried out, and I'm going to put my salt, but I might put them through the computer and see what I got on them. They could have been CCTV from a shop or something. Now that back of that hard drive is not something that falls off a boat, is it? That's been thrown in the crushed bottle lid. Definitely was on something, pudding. Coin. Should I get hold of something now? No, I've just gone over it. Shame.
I used to when I used to find nice boys, finding them really cool, nice, something like something. Now
Very muddy up this end. Pouring a lot of mud. But I think I've got enough for a video. Can get another issue out.